So we're a few k's now into South Australia, and now we've got the quarantine station. Caravan camper vans only, light vehicles. Okay.
In 2.1 kilometres, turn left onto a 20 state highway.
Hey mate, how you going? Awesome. So yeah, we're on the ferry. We'll find out where we are. Oh, what a morning it's been.
It is the Murray River.
Oh, it's the Murray River.
Murray. On the Lyrup ferry. Or Lyrup. I don't know if that's a
Lyrup.
Lyrup. And the Lyrup ferry across the Murray River.
This is Waikerie Clifftop Walk. Obviously we're not going to walk around because of old hop-along avocado smuggler. I've got to tell you a story actually. We were in Wally's just before and Justine disappeared and that, and lo and behold I found her over in the avocado section. I said, you realise your photo's going to be plastered all over the shopping centres and that now, the Coles and Woolies and all that as a avocado smuggler, don't you? This is the Murray River. Oh, that's pretty cool. I wonder why it always looks dirty. I think we asked this question before, didn't we?
Muddy.
Why it always looks muddy. There's some cattle over there. So earlier on today we actually got a ferry across with the car and caravan. It was pretty cool. We'll post that on the YouTube. And we went for a drive down there just before, and you can get a ferry across to that island. We'll have to find out what's going on over there. So this is the Silo Arts. This is one of the things we're going to do while we're cruising around Australia, is just get as much silo art and all that sort of thing as we can, because it's friggin' awesome. It's O for awesome, isn't it, Juz?
Mad. Go sit in there, I'll take a photo of you.
That is awesome, isn't it? I'll go around the sides of the sun. But yeah. He's got the mad friggin' hairdo going on. Right down to some shoes. And there's some birds on the end of the seat.
Take a seat.
I'll take a seat now. Okay. So this is our free camp here, right next to the silos. You can stay for up to 72 hours. Here comes the sunrise from where we are staying at Waikerie. Nice cup of coffee, cappuccino. Down over the Waikerie cliffs, over the Murray River. How good is that? Here's our silos. The riverfront here, and the ferry is just coming back across. So yeah, it was pretty cool. We were on one of these yesterday with the car and caravan. This is it's a free service too, which is really good. Hey mate. Oh yeah, to our left is the caravan park, if you're willing to splash out a bit of coin. Or you can just take the cheaper option. So this is where all the houseboats, riverboats park up or moor down here. Some are beautiful boats. Like this one. What's this one called? Illusion. Oh, I used to like illusions too.
Back in the Melbourne days.
Back in the day. Look at that. It's 2-story. Yeah, it's sick. It's actually got there's an aircon unit up the top. But yeah. Next stop. We'll just quickly go down the end here. We came down here yesterday. Right at the end of this is another free camp. But it's not as nice. It's more so for off-road vans and that, which we've got, but we're happy where we are. Alrighty, here we are still at Waikerie. We've come down the bottom of the cliffs for a drive around. There's another free camp spot down the bottom here. It is called, what was it called again, Juz?
Holder Bend Reserve.
Holder Bend Reserve. You can light a fire up until the 1st of November. Yeah, how cool is that? We were thinking about shifting the van down here for a night, but it's too much trouble. We'll just go for a cruise around. Cool spot. How's the Serenity?
There's a guy that parked up near us.
So just next to the information centre, we found this thing. It says Waikerie's original fire station. This 1924 car Ford was Waikerie's first fire truck. Huh.